Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word unseasonable. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The unseasonable heat wave in October caught everyone by surprise. Unseasonable describes weather or conditions that are unusual or inappropriate for the time of year, such as warm temperatures in winter or cold temperatures in summer. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.